So now I'll take the derivative, and it's going to be m1 plus m2 L1 squared theta 1 double dot plus m2 L1 L2 theta 2 double dot cosine theta 1 minus theta 2, and this is going to be minus theta 2 dot times theta 1 dot minus theta 2 dot sine theta 1 minus theta 2. Now I'm going to get a theta 2 dot square from here, and plus, let me put right here, plus my potential, which is plus, m2 L1 L2 theta 1 dot theta 2 dot sine theta 1 minus theta 2 minus g m1 plus m2 L 1 sine theta 1. And now I need to continue with m1 plus m2 L1 square theta 1 double dot plus m2 L1 L2 theta 2 double dot. And what I want to do is I want to do this right here, cosine theta 1 minus theta 2, and I have theta 2 double dot right here. This times this will give me plus theta 2 dot square sine theta 1 minus theta 2 minus m2, which is coming from over here, m2 L1 L2 theta 1 dot theta 2 dot sine theta 1 minus theta 2 plus, I'll put my potential now, it's going to be positive, plus m2 L1 L2 theta 1 dot theta 2 dot sine theta 1 minus theta 2 minus, it's going to be a plus g m1 plus m2 L1 sine theta 1. And right away I know that this here, and this here, and this here will cancel out. And what I'm going to stay with, once all of that is canceled out, what I'm going to stay is with m1 plus m2 L1 squared theta 1 dot plus m2 L1 L2 theta 2 double dot cosine theta 1 minus theta 2 plus theta 2 dot square sine theta 1 minus theta 2 plus g m1 plus m2 L1 sine theta 1. And this all must be equal to 0. And this is my first equation of motion. I will have to do a lot to do my second equation of motion, and I don't have too much time. I have too many videos, so I'm just going to write my second equation of motion, which is going to be m2 L2 square theta 2 double dot plus m2 L1 L2 square theta 1 double dot cosine theta 1 minus theta 2 minus theta 1 dot square sine theta 1 minus theta 2 plus my potential, which is G M2 L2 sine theta 2, and this must be equal to 0. So this will be my first equation of motion. This will be my second equation of motion. And it's basically the same thing. I mean, just find your Lagrangian, find your partial with respect to theta 2, okay? And then go ahead and find your partial with respect to theta 2 dot, and then just go ahead and take the derivative and then put everything together, and you will have your other equation. These are two differential equations, and I'll do a video solving for these equations at a later time. If you like this video, please hit like and subscribe. Thank you.